hazvina kumira mushe. Panguva ino yari kunokunzi VP Kosano Chiwenga ari kushandisa maefforts ake as much as he can kuzama kustopa zvigananda. Don't some of the people they can't see VP Chiwenga's capability to lead the nation. Sare bina mashoko ari kuda panguva ino ari uya achitaurwa nevamwe vachiti VP Chiwenga cannot lead the nation panguva ino. Don't bo subscribe wala icon on the bell icon. Pana pada kunzwa kuti muri Zimbabwe munoti kudini mashoko awa. Tine paenda mapuranga mudanyira achiti I speak not as a politician but as a soldier who has served this country with loyalty and discipline. I've seen the corridors of power from within and I understand the delicate machinery that keeps the Zimbabwean state intact. It is from the vintage point that I say, without hesitation, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga will not be President of Zimbabwe. This is not a personal attack. It is a sober assessment of the political, institutional, and the national realities we face. President Emmerson Mnangagwa's leadership has been marked by a delicate, if imperfect, equilibrium, a balancing act between competing power centers within the party and the state. This has allowed for a degree of political space, economic experimentation, and cautious international re-engagement. It is not a flawless model, but it is a manageable contradiction, one that has kept the country from tipping into outright authoritarianism or chaos. A transition to a Chiwenga presidency would be a disaster, not a continuation of this model. It would be a rupture. Chiwenga is not a man of half measures. His worldview is shaped by decades of in uniform, not by the give and take of democratic politics. When Mnangagwa has tolerated dissent as a necessary evil, Chiwenga would likely treat it as a national security threat. The opposition would not be engaged, it would be neutralized. Civil liberties, already strained, would be further curtailed. The 2018 to 2020 protests met with aggressive military deployments were not an anomaly, they were a preview. Under Chiwenga, the state would not merely govern it, would command. Thomas Kwambudata kwa panguva ino aiwa this user ari kuzviti is a former soldier panguva ino ari kuuya achidismisa achiti VP Kosano Chiwenga cannot be the president. Mbudza mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pe-this analysis. Paya comment section medu nzwa funguro enyu. So unsubscribe or like, check on the bell icon.